Top 5 Diabetes-Friendly Breakfast Recipes to Start Your Day Right. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for diabetics, it's especially true. Starting your morning with the right foods can set the tone for stable blood sugar levels, lasting energy, and overall health throughout the day. In today's video, we're sharing the top 5 diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes that are not only delicious and easy to make, but also packed with the nutrients you need to start your day off right. From hearty options to quick grab-and-go ideas, these recipes are designed to fit your busy lifestyle while keeping your blood sugar in check. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip on how to meal prep these breakfasts to save time and money, because eating healthy shouldn't be complicated. Ready to transform your mornings? Let's get started. Breakfast 1. Avocado and Egg Toast. First on our list is a diabetes-friendly classic, avocado and egg toast. This breakfast combines healthy fats, protein, and fiber to give you a balanced meal that keeps your blood sugar stable and your energy levels high. Why it's great for diabetics. Avocado is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can improve insulin sensitivity, while eggs provide a high-quality protein source that helps slow down digestion. Pairing these with a slice of whole grain or sprouted bread adds fiber to the mix, keeping your blood sugar levels steady. Budget-friendly tip. Avocados can be pricey, so buy them in bulk when they're on sale and store extras in the fridge to extend their shelf life. Look for store brands of whole grain or sprouted bread to save money without sacrificing quality. How to make it. Toast 1 slice of whole grain or sprouted bread. Mash half an avocado and spread it evenly on the toast. Top with a poached or fried egg. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of chili flakes or paprika for extra flavor. Meal idea. Serve your avocado toast with a side of fresh spinach or a handful of cherry tomatoes for an added boost of vitamins and fiber. It's a simple, satisfying breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Avocado and egg toast is a quick and balanced way to start your day. Let's move on to the next breakfast recipe. Breakfast 2. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Next on our list is a creamy and delicious Greek yogurt parfait. This breakfast is loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it a perfect diabetes-friendly option for a quick and satisfying start to your day. Why it's great for diabetics. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates compared to regular yogurt, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Adding berries and nuts gives you antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats, creating a balanced and nutrient-packed meal. Budget-friendly tip. Buy plain Greek yogurt in larger tubs instead of single-serve containers to save money. Use frozen berries when fresh ones are out of season. They're just as nutritious and more affordable. How to make it. Start with a base of plain Greek yogurt. Avoid flavored varieties with added sugars. Layer in a handful of fresh or frozen berries like blueberries or strawberries. Sprinkle with a tablespoon of chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, for a satisfying crunch. For extra sweetness, add a drizzle of sugar-free syrup or a pinch of cinnamon. Meal idea. Prepare the parfait in a mason jar for an easy grab-and-go breakfast. Pair it with a cup of herbal tea or black coffee for a complete diabetes-friendly meal. Greek yogurt parfaits are versatile, refreshing, and packed with nutrients to kickstart your morning. Let's move on to the third breakfast recipe. Breakfast 3. Veggie-Packed Omelette. Third on our list is a savory and satisfying veggie-packed omelette. This breakfast is loaded with protein and fiber while being low in carbs, making it an ideal choice for diabetics who want a hearty meal to start the day. Why it's great for diabetics. Eggs provide a high-quality protein source that helps keep blood sugar stable, while the vegetables add essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This combination keeps you feeling full longer and helps prevent mid-morning hunger pangs. Budget-friendly tip. Use seasonal vegetables or whatever you have on hand to make this recipe affordable. Bell peppers, spinach, and onions are great options that are widely available and budget-friendly. How to make it. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk with a splash of milk or water. Heat a non-stick skillet and add a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray. Sauté diced vegetables of your choice, e.g., spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, until tender. Pour the egg mixture over the vegetables and cook on low heat until the eggs are set. Fold the omelette in half and serve. Meal idea: pair your omelette with a slice of whole grain toast or a small side of avocado for added healthy fats. A sprinkle of cheese or fresh herbs like parsley or chives can elevate the flavor even more. Veggie-packed omelettes are a simple, nutritious way to fuel your morning while managing blood sugar levels. Let's move on to the fourth breakfast recipe. Breakfast 4. Chia seed pudding. Fourth on our list is a creamy and versatile chia seed pudding. Packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein, this breakfast is a diabetes-friendly powerhouse that you can prepare the night before for a hassle-free morning. Why it's great for diabetics. Chia seeds are low in carbs and high in soluble fiber, which helps slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. They're also loaded with nutrients like magnesium and omega-3s, which support overall health. Budget-friendly tip: buy chia seeds in bulk from discount stores or online retailers to save money. They last a long time and can be used in a variety of recipes, making them a cost-effective addition to your pantry. How to make it: combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or any low-carb milk alternative. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Mix well and refrigerate overnight, or for at least 4 hours, stirring once halfway through. In the morning, top with a handful of berries, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of sugar-free syrup. Meal idea: for a tropical twist, top your chia pudding with diced mango in moderation, shredded coconut, and a squeeze of lime. This combination offers a refreshing diabetes-friendly breakfast option. Chia seed pudding is not only nutritious but also highly customizable, making it a great addition to your morning routine. Let's move on to the final breakfast recipe. 5. Oatmeal with a twist. Last on our list is a comforting and diabetes-friendly classic, oatmeal with a twist. This hearty breakfast is packed with fiber and nutrients, making it a perfect choice for steady energy and blood sugar control throughout the day. Why it's great for diabetics: oats are rich in soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Paired with healthy toppings, oatmeal can be a versatile and satisfying diabetes-friendly meal. Budget-friendly tip: buy plain, old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats in bulk. They're cheaper and healthier than pre-flavored instant oatmeal, which often contains added sugars. Use pantry staples like cinnamon or nuts as toppings to keep costs low. How to make it: cook 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water, or unsweetened almond milk on the stove or in the microwave. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg for flavor. Top with a handful of chopped nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts, and a few fresh or frozen berries. Optional: add a dollop of unsweetened Greek yogurt for creaminess and extra protein. Meal idea: for a savory twist, skip the cinnamon and berries, and instead top your oatmeal with a poached egg, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, and some chopped green onions. It's a unique and diabetes-friendly way to enjoy oats. Oatmeal is a versatile, affordable, and nutritious breakfast that can easily be tailored to your taste and dietary needs. Now let's wrap it all up with a quick summary and some encouragement. And there you have it, the top 5 diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes to kickstart your day, from creamy chia seed pudding to hearty veggie-packed omelettes. These breakfasts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to help manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Each recipe is designed to be simple, affordable, and easy to customize to your preferences. Remember, a good breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. By choosing the right ingredients and balancing your meals with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you can enjoy tasty options while keeping your blood sugar steady. These recipes prove that managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. Which breakfast recipe are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite diabetes-friendly breakfast of your own? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more diabetes-friendly recipes and practical tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos. And thank you for watching and taking steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Managing diabetes is a journey, and every small change you make adds up to a big difference. Stay inspired, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.